Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. It is always my pleasure to have you here. If you're new, what up though? My name is Amanda and we talk about hair, beauty, fashion, lifestyle topics here on my channel, and welcome back today. Today I have, as you can see, a hair review for you. This is a 24-inch lace front unit. I did purchase this from Amazon, so if you're interested in hearing more about this unit, go ahead, stay tuned. Thank you my lovelies for kicking it with your girl and for hanging out with me today. Let's jump right on into the specs of this hair. Now, this hair was purchased by myself off of Amazon. Yeah, so to put some of those rumors to rest where you can't find a good unit on Amazon, I'm here to say that it's not true. You can actually find very affordable, high quality virgin hair units on Amazon that are worth the bank. Okay, so this one here is 24 inches water wave lace front. Does come with some baby's hairs, and the hairline is supposed to be pre-plucked for you. This is in a color 1B or a natural brown. So just right off jump, this is quite full. Now it's not heavy or weighted as you might assume because of the volume or the density of the hair. It's actually quite light. This is it right out the package. I did do some finger combing, which is why it is quite large. Okay, this is it. 24 inches. So you know, because it's curly, it's gonna look a little shorter, but if I were to blow it out, it would probably sit, you know, right under the breast. Okay, now this is from the company Suerkeep. I am probably mispronouncing that, but SUERKEEP 8A water wave, 24 natural color. This unit retailed with tax, shipping, handling, and all to excuse me, $161. I'll have more in the description box below. I have the exact figure, but I want to say it was $161 for this unit. 24 inches, virgin hair, natural color. So, comes in this little box here. Came with a spray bottle. I'll be using this. I'll put like a little conditioner, water, and like probably some argan oil, a little mixture in here, just to spray down the hair, to keep the curl pattern and to kind of tame her if I don't want her to be so full, but the fullness does not bother me. No, let me stop. Also came with a set of falsies, set of eyelashes here. So I will be styling this unit in this video, cutting the lace, laying down the baby hairs, all that. So let's jump right in now. We want to go ahead and put the hair back so you can see the full hairline. At the lace.